broke my bike. It just wouldn't start. I have no mechanical experience, but buying a bike from the 70s, I guess I'm gonna have to learn. So process of elimination begins starting with checking the spark plugs. You need a spark to start the engine. Very important. And like my creativity, you guys all said I would burn it out because I ride too slow. As much as I hate to admit it, let's see if you were right and check for a spark. You turn the engine on and ground it to metal on the bike, then hold the clutch and kickstart it. And there's no spark. Okay, so now I know I need to replace it. The new one is looking white and a lot less burnt. And the moment of truth, a spark. Did you see that? So now I can ratchet the new one into place, pop the top back on, and let's see if the bike starts now.